Good morning, guys. I'm going to reveal to you a pattern here that you probably don't see that's actually pretty bearish, but then at the same time, interesting enough, we've got whale holdings on XRP skyrocketing. Let's talk about this. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. We're going to be going over the bearish pattern that's forming. You guys probably don't see it on the chart here. It's a little bit kind of funky, but before we go over the bearish pattern, let's talk about this. Guys, a news article flying around out there. SEC versus Ripple case sees new twists and turns as whale holdings in XRP skyrocket. All right, what's going on here? Let's get to the meat of this. Let's take a look. XRP whales holding between 1 and 10 million XRP apparently are on a little buying spree. Sounds like Black Friday for a lot of them. Binance on-chain data shows that an anonymous wallet transferred 60 million XRP, worth approximately 28.3 million at the time. Almost at the same time, 60.9 million XRP was sent from Bitstamp, roughly 28.4 million to another crypto wallet. Guys, why does money move off an exchange to a wallet? It's usually because people are getting bullish and they're placing their money into wallets to hold. Most of the time, money moves from wallets over to exchanges. That was a terrible W. Let's try that again. Money moves from wallets over to exchanges for the attempt to be sold, because the exchanges are where the selling is going to be taking place, or the buying. But when you have money going from exchange over to wallets, this is usually people holding for the long term. Okay, we have some whales buying XRP. Now let me show you guys this bearish pattern over here where I think we could be seeing a little bit further move back down. But before we do that, come over here and take a look at the 1 week time frame. You guys need to be watching something. If you guys are dollar cost averaging into XRP, definitely be snagging these indicators over here. Top and bottom finder, definitely get that, as well as price per swell, money flow, trend exhaustion. We use these in the markets to do very, very well. On the last video, I accidentally said we were up 800%, which is not true. We are up 381%. Still an incredible amount, higher than the S&P 500, and we're using these to scalp the markets. Reason why I tell you guys that and show you that is because looking at this over here, some of you guys are probably looking to accumulate XRP as much as you can before maybe the trial's won, and we maybe see some parabolic moves on XRP based off, a winning trial, which would be pretty sweet, in my opinion. Take a look at this down here. Trend exhaustion, bottom red section, bottom red section, bottom red section, bottom red section, and bottom red section. What's happened? Well, these have been incredible areas for you guys to dollar cost average into the market before some very nice moves up in XRP. So I'm going to be watching for this very closely, and I think you need to be watching for this as well. It's the next time trend exhaustion pushes into the bottom red section here, and well money flow becomes low as well. Okay. On top of that, make sure you guys are setting up the top and bottom finder for the buy signals, because I do think we could be getting one here pretty soon if we see any type of push down. Now, this is from a big macro level on the weekly. Now, let me actually take you guys down and show you guys this on the 4-hour time frame. Make sure you guys snag these indicators. Black Friday sales going on. Do not miss it. Take advantage of the discounts we're giving you guys. Pop up on the screen right now so you guys can see that. But as you guys are reading that, watch this. I want to show you guys this. Let's mock up this actually descending triangle pattern. We're going to take the low, come down here, and just move up until you hit something right about there, okay? Then we would need to come over here. Let's take another line, and we're going to go from the high up here, and we're going to pull this value right there. We got 1, 2 touch here. We've got a 3 touch here. What this actually is, from a technical analysis pattern, it is what's called a descending triangle pattern, where you've got a fairly nice support that is formed and you have a descending trend. Most likely what's going to happen on this, based off this pattern analysis, is that we push down for a third attempt touch at the support line, and then we may bounce back and forth here for a little bit. But you need to understand, descending triangle patterns by their nature usually break to the downside. So again, make sure you guys are setting these indicators up and watching this. The sell signal was called up here and we got the drop. The strong buy and buy signal was called here for the move back up. So if you guys want to look for that next entry, make sure you're watching for this. I go over this so many times on our channel, but this is the jackpot entry, guys, for any crypto that you are trading. It is a strong buy or buy signal. It is well money flow low, and it is trend exhaustion low. I promise you, if you don't get anything more out of these videos that I do here on YouTube, get these indicators and watch this, and this is where the highest likelihood of a move up is going to happen in the market. What's the highest likelihood of a move back down? It is a sell signal or a strong sell signal followed by well money flow high and trend exhaustion high. Right around this area, I'm going to try to draw a straight line straight up here. Right between these signals here was the place to look for the exit, or on either one of these, because you guys taking short trades are in profit now. based off this, where I think we're going to go? Well, I do think, like I mentioned, we could be coming down to a third touch here, and just understand that this is a bearish pattern and we usually play to the downside, which let's come back over here, look at the weekly analysis. We do have more room to move back down here on well money flow as well as trend exhaustion. So that's why I'm telling you guys, watch this weekly time frame. The next time you see this, it's probably going to be, it could be potentially the last time you guys have a chance to get into XRP before we see some really nice moves back up. Another reason why, guys, that one more move back down here is going to put us at pre-pump levels when trend exhaustion is down at the bottom red section. You can set up alerts for this. You can set up alerts for everything that we've got. Let me show you guys how to do that real quick, and I want to end with one other thing before we leave here. Take a look at this Black Friday sale that's going on. Indicator links in the description. Guys, snag the bundle pack. This is the lowest price we will ever have for the bundle pack. It's never going to be lower. You will get price for small money flow and trend exhaustion to watch what I just showed you on the charts, as well as 7 other indicators. You can see the profits people are making. Guys, this is in a bear market. $950, $4,300 in just a week, $2,100 in 3 days. And then we've got a guy, literally, he got this indicator. He's like, my first 3 trades. I'll zoom in there so you guys can see that. My first 3 trades, 500, 5,200, 4,300. This guy does 3,200 in 3 days. It's awesome. Snag this bundle pack first, and you will immediately get the source codes to all 9 of those indicators, and you will also get a coupon code right after checkout for 53% off the top and bottom finder. That is what people are wanting right now. It has done very, very well for us. We have actually never lost a scalping trade using this metric over here, except for Luna. But Luna, that was a scenario where everybody lost. Come over here, use that coupon code 53% off, or if you want to buy it by itself, use Holiday 300. So real quick before I show the last thing on XRP, come over here, click this link. You guys will see all of this. I'll show you how to set up alerts in this video to the right side over here. It also comes with full risk management as well, just so you guys know everything is transparent. The accuracy of this thing is insane. It is the best metric you guys can use for crypto, I promise you. Come over here, top and bottom finder, enter the coupon code Holiday 300. You guys are not paying $749. Enter this coupon code here. We're going to drop it down to $449. But if you guys get the bundle pack, guess what? It's not $300 off. You're going to actually get $400 off. So make sure you guys are not missing that. All right, guys, the last but not least thing I want to share with you guys is this. If you take a look at what's happening with XRP here, this is forming what we call the psychology of a market cycle. And I haven't shown this to you guys for a while, but let me get back over to our main site, scroll all the way down to the bottom and go to resources down here. What XRP is in, yes, it's in a lot of, the SEC, the lawsuit that's going on, but can I just show you guys some hope here for those of you guys in XRP? The market psychology that was initially presented by the Wall Street cheat sheet for stocks plays out very nicely on crypto as well. You have your impulse move, the euphoria, you have a move down and you get depression, and then you see disbelief, and then you usually see rallies. It's better played out over here on Bitcoin because the cycle's already happened and we are far higher than this, basically way up over here. So what I want to show you guys is look at this structure right here. This structure right there is correlated very closely to what you're currently seeing on XRP, where you've got your initial pump phase where you have euphoria over here, and then you start seeing the move back down here, very low to structure supports in the market, and then you look for that second move, the psychology of a market cycle, which could be happening anytime, because I do believe the overall market is in an anger phase right now. After anger comes depression because you think nothing's going to happen, it's going to be there forever, and then you get your disbelief rally. I do believe there's some altcoins in this stage right now, and XRP is one of them. We are starting to see everybody sell out. Capitulation is entering into the market. Probably go sideways for a little bit longer, but I'm kind of getting you guys excited about this and hounding you a little bit. Like, please watch this entry. This could be the last entry you guys get before we see this move up here, and it's simply due to what almost every single crypto does, is simply follow the psychology of a market cycle. This is the time to be buying, guys, right there. So snag those indicators in the description. I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys are using those discount codes. And if you guys want to come trade with us, come over here and join a membership. It's just $75 a month, and we have a blast over in our membership. And by the way, we are going live tomorrow as a community, and I'm coaching you guys in a live inner circle call on Zoom. So everybody who's a member gets to be in that for free. So make sure you guys do that, and definitely get the indicators before these prices go up, because they are going up, guys, on Friday, November 25th. I'll see you guys later. God bless you. Snag these, and let's see what happens to Ripple here. Bye, guys.